Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to the session of Wellness, Wonder, and Learning. Today, we will see the journey of Ram Mandir, that is from controversy to national unity and peace. The Ram Mandir in Ayodhya has made history despite facing many challenges. Denied for 500 years, not 1 and 2 years, 500 years, it was denied. So its construction signifies a trump of faith and a symbol of national unity and peace. The dispute over the land and the call for the construction of the temple have been made deeply intertwined with religious, political, and historical narratives. The construction of the Ram Mandir has not only been a matter of religious significance, but it has also been a focal point of political agendas and power struggles. The agenda of believers for acquiring powers and for establishing concept of separatism aimed at consolidating their hold over the subcontinent sowed seeds of division between the Hindus itself, further fueling the dispute. Additionally, the legal evolution of claims and the emergence of a plural deity in the dispute have added complex layers to the controversy. Amidst these complexities, the association of Ram with royalty has perpetuated a certain image of political leadership and reinforced societal myths. These myths have played a role in shaping societal beliefs, tradition, often gaining precedence over historical facts. The journey of Ram Mandir reflects not only a struggle for religious expression and identity, but also intervening of historical, political, and societal narratives. Ultimately, its construction stands as a symbol of national unity and peace, signifying the culmination of long and tumultuous journey. The echoes of devotion persisted through echoes carried across generations like a sacred flame diffusing to be extinguished. The travels were many, political, social and cultural upheavals that tested the collective resolve of a nation yearning to rebuild its spiritual epicenter. In the annals of time, Ram Mandir stands as a testament to unwavering faith of a people who weathered the storm of centuries. The struggle was not merely against physical obstacles, it was a battle against the erosion of spiritual strength, an attempt to dim the radiant light of Lord Rama's philosophy that had guided the Indian soul for millennia. Had the spiritual power associated with the ideals of the Ram been permitted to flourish in those tumultuous days, the course of history might have been altered. The fabric of Bharat, woven with the threads of his spirituality, could have withstood the tests imposed by invaders and colonizers. The attempts to subdue the profound influence of Sri Ram's philosophy were not only external. The construction of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya took place in an environment deeply entwined with historical narratives, religious significance, and political power struggles. The dispute has held a mirror to societal myths and beliefs, often overshadowing historical traditions. It has been a journey marked by complexity and controversy, ultimately culminating in a symbol of national unity and peace over obstacles. The spiritual power associated with Sri Ram's philosophy was suppressed, allowing invaders to conquer Bharat. The struggle for the temple mirrors a larger battle against divisive forces. The temple, more than just bricks and mortar, symbolizes the enduring faith of a resilient people. It stands as a beacon illuminating the path forward and reaffirming the timeless philosophy of Sri Ram. In the tapestry of his teaching, Ram emerged as a beacon of enlightenment, challenging the very fabric of societal norms that perpetuated discrimination. His actions spoke louder than his words as he traversed the realms of Adya, Lanka, and beyond, dismantling the barriers that confined humanity in the shackles of casteism and favorism. Ram's benevolent rule was not just a historical antidote, but a profound lesson in annihilation of prejudices. His benevolence extended even to those who held conflicting ideologies such as misguided notions of Ravan, the vengeful pursuits of Parsuram against Kshatriya, and myriad beliefs entrenched in the society of that era. Through his actions, Ram dissolved the divisions that threatened to fragment society, establishing a harmonious equilibrium where righteousness trumped over discord. The vision of Ramraj was more than a utopian dream. It was a tangible reality created by the amalgamation of spiritual powers and compassionate governance. The essence of Ram's teachings lay not in the imposition of power, but in the empowerment of every individual, transcending caste, creed, and social status. In the glow of his spiritual radiance, the conflicts that made society faded into insignificance, paving the way for a holistic transformation. However, the establishment of the Ram Raj faced resistance from those entrenched in separatist ideology and divisive grip of casteism. For those who thrived on the oppression of the weak and the perpetuation of societal disparities, the ideals of the Ram were perceived as a threat. Yet Ram's unwavering commitment to justice and righteousness prevailed, shattering the foundations of favorism and caste-based hierarchy. With the long-awaited realization of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, the echoes of Lord Ram's transformative legacy are poised to reverberate once more. The construction of the temple signifies not just the construction of physical walls, but the resurgence of spiritual strength that has the potential to shape a new Bharat. The temple becomes a testament to the enduring power of unity, compassion, and justice. A resounding affirmation that spiritual empowerment is not a force of weakness, but catalyst for social metamorphosis. And now you will see this social metamorphosis has become true. As the divine sanctum rises in Ayodhya, it symbolizes the dawn of a new era, where the teachings of Lord Ram become a guiding light for the reinvigorated Bharat, and by extension for the entire world. The spiritual power that emanates from the temple is poised to bridge divides, dismantle prejudices, and establish a global resonance of harmony, a harmonious symphony conducted by eternal principles of righteousness and compassion. Thank you very much.